Hi, this is Shisham from MeasureSquare. This video is on how to create a carpet product. To create a product, make sure you are on the Products tab at the bottom. Next to what looks like a wine glass, there's also a plus button. Click on that and give your product a name. So I'll call it Carpet 1. You can select the type from here. We're going to go with roll carpet, but you have other options if you're going to create another product. You can select the trade, the unit, and other factors like roll width, horizontal, vertical, repeat. You can choose to add an add-on product, change the sales and cost prices, choose to sell by roll, make it taxable, change the display color, and add texture and description. When you're happy with your product, click Done. And you can see Carpet 1 appears under the Roll Carpet section. Drag it over to see your carpet appear.